Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And to change it, we will use developer option. If you don't know how to enable developer option on your phone, you can check a video at this channel just for your device. Now, if you have iOS, you cannot change it because Apple devices haven't developer option. When you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then to the system, and on stock Android I need to scroll down and find developer options at the bottom. We need to enter here, and right here I need to find HD audio, but we can use also a search, and in the search we can write HD audio, and right here, as you can see, it's located at the developer option, so tap at this line. And to disable it, you need to tap on time at this slider. To enable it, you need to also tap on time at this slider, but if the slider have empty background. And now you can swap between codecs while you enable HD audio. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!